Hello and welcome back, folks. Whenever I visit Thailand, I'm always impressed by the beautiful displays put on by the street food vendors, enticing you to their wares. Particularly interesting are the juice vendors. The way they present pomegranates makes them seem like glistening shiny rubies catching the sun. I found out from one street vendor how they cut them up for display, and now I'm here to show you. This is a method for cutting open the pomegranate not only to display the seeds in a beautiful way, but it also makes the extraction of the seeds much easier. When holding the pomegranate, you want to make sure that the flower end is pointing up. I'm not sure what the technical term for this end is, so let me know if you think you have the answer. We're then going to cut two circles around the pomegranate. One around the flower and another about a quarter of way down. Now we'll remove the circle that we cut out. The next step is to remove the flower. If you leave it under it with a knife, you should be able to prise it off. You can now see the membrane around the seeds. We're going to score the skin around each point where the membrane ends. Next, cut across at the center and gently prise it open. Cut some slanted lines on the skin as shown here. You should now be able to remove the membrane easily with your fingers. And here is the final product. Just use a knife to remove any remaining membrane stuck in the center. To remove the seeds, use a wooden spoon and tap them into a bowl.